Dump by X.J. Kennedy. The brink over which we pour odd items we can't find enough cubic inches to store, in house, in mind, is come to by a clamber, up steep unsteady heights of beds without a dreamer, and lamps that no hand lights. Here lie discarded hopes that hard facts had to rout, umbrellas, naked spokes, by wind jerked inside out, roof shingles bought on sale that rotted on their roof, paintings eternally stale that hung, remained aloof, pink dolls with foreheads crushed, eyes petrified in sleep. We cast off with a crash what gives us pain to keep. As we turn now to return to our lightened living room, the acrid smell of trash arises like perfume. Maneuvering steep stairs of bed springs to our car, we stumble on home-canned pears, grown poisonous in their jar, and nearly gash an ankle against a shard of glass. Our emptiness may rankle, but soon it too will pass.